All right, here we go. There's a mix. I don't know if you can see it all. 3 large jalapenos, finely diced. 12 pieces of bacon cooked in the oven, crumbled up. Heaping handful Colby Jack cheese, 1 block cream cheese. I'm gonna throw in a little tiny bit of my Mexican rub, probably about a teaspoon. Mix it all up. I'm gonna use 24 deli size slices of pepperoni. I'll show you those in a little bit. We're just prepping for the Super Bowl. It's gonna be a great Super Bowl snack. If you like this video or not, you know, sorry, maybe you can take the snack and make it for yourself and change some stuff up, but give us a like, a share, you know, subscribe. Ding, 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 ring that bell. Stay with me, because I'm gonna get these prepped out. All right, so I got it mixed. I put in some Sofa King Awesome Mexican rub, and I put in a little bit of Weekend Bum Barbecue's Hot Bum rub. So, now to mix. Like a doctor, rubber gloves. And all I do is I just mix it up the best I can. Flip it a bunch. Sorry, bad video. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do that quite a bit until it's mixed, and I'll show you as soon as that's mixed. Okay, that's it. That's about as mixed as we're going to get. I'm going to set this back in the fridge, change some clothes, and I'll get the pepperonis ready to rock and roll the pan, and get to filling and show you guys what it's like. I'm not going to cook them probably until I get to my friend's house for the Super Bowl, but I will definitely show you what they look like when they're done. P.S. Don't mind my little ones in the background. They like to scream. What's up? Told you, changing. It's Super Bowl, you know, got to do it. Lucky Chiefs. I'm a Chiefs fan. You know that. So anyways, the Popper Rose Florets, I don't know what you want to call it, how you want to say it. It's a Popper mixture. And I took mini muffin pans with deli size pepperonis, did 3 slices to put them into a bowl shape. I took the smaller pepperonis, did those, well, because I had some. They were the kids' lunches, not anymore. And did those on the center of it and filled them with the Popper mixture. So here's what we got. These have the mini one inside of it. These do not. It's just the outer, because I didn't have a lot of small ones, so whoop-de-doo. I have to buy the kids more. It's Super Bowl Sunday. One of the red teams is gonna win. Mark my word. Hashtag not rigged also. But yeah, so now jalapeno popper rose florets. It's a great game time snack. I'm gonna cook these at 350 for just about 10, maybe 12 minutes. And then bam, they're done. So, yeah. Pop these in the oven. I'll show you what they look like when they're done. I've got something else coming, so that'll be another video. Stay tuned. Pepperoni rose. Jalapeno popper. And it's good. You get a lot of pepperoni flavor, but you get that popper dip with it. It's good. It's a good game time snack.